So today we're at Lidl's and we've got a small plant drop today. So let's go and take a look at what we got. Super Vivian mixed. These look really cool. 6 pack, £4.99. They look really good. I love them. They look really good. Some more on the bottom. And then we've got chrysanthemums. Indicum. So we've got a yellow and we've got a pink. So it's a 6 pack. Some late colour for the garden. £3.99. There go. There's also a pink one and a dark pink. £3.99. They've got this hydrangea, panicula, white one, pink one. He's looking cool. Didn't see these in the brochure. And then more of the chrysanthemums. Got these estromia. These are also known as Miscellaneous. Indoor plant. They look really cool. And also the purple. They look good. Still got the terrariums, the small ones, the big ones. And platycolon, grandiflora. We've got a pink, and we've got a white, and a purple. They're really cool. And we've got these pots, various pots. They're £2.99. The bloom flowers, £3.99. We've still got some pink dianthus and the house plants, the lilies and the tall house plants. Bedding plants, £1.99. And we've still got dianthus. Was £1.99, reduced to £1.49. These need a good deadheading, they'll be absolutely fine. And the peace lilies, reduced from £7.99 to £5.99. That's an even better price. It's a cantilever parasol. These look really cool. £49.99. £5 off, £44.99. And then they've got the bases. These are £29.99. While I'm here, I noticed the petrol lawnmower was £129, is now reduced to £99. £99 for a petrol lawnmower. It's pretty good. Also, the wood protection oil was £9.99, reduced to £2.50. The site radio, £49.99, reduced to £29.99. And the easy cut hedge trimmer, £44, reduced to £33.99. Also, the Flymo easy saw is £129.99, reduced to £79. Electric lawnmower, reduced from £109 to £79.99. Electric lawnmower. Screwdriver set, £24.99, reduced to £22.99. And also the electric planer, £29.99, reduced to £24.99. £6.99. Spray gun, HVLP paint spray gun, was £21.99, and that's reduced to £17.99. Quick whiz through paints, double grounder bench, vacuum cleaner 54, demolition hammer 49.99. The multi-tool Parkside, £5 off, 24.99, now 19.99. Various tools, lots of tools. Flatbed trolley, 24.99. Wheels, 49.99, and socks, 3.49. Ladder, 34.99. Boxes, shorts, the saws, we've just seen them. More tools, gloves, 3 for 2. The wet and dry cordless vacuum, 39. We've seen the lawnmowers, sponge and polishing sets, ropes, £6.99, metal paint, £7.99. Cleaner, £24.99, and the inspection camera, £29.99. There we go, that's all the tools.